And remember, I may be exaggerating how much I'm clutching in and holding it just for the video. But every time before I let the clutch up, I'm going to give a little bit of gas. Okay, so I'm clutching in, I'm coasting around the turn, giving a little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna make it right, clutching in, coasting, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay. Gonna make a left, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna make a right, clutch in, coast, turn, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna make a right, clutching in, coasting, keeping it tight, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. I'm gonna make a left here. No, I'll make a right. Gonna clutch in, coasting, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay, gonna make a right again, clutching in, coasting. Before I bring the clutch up, raise the revs up, clutch up. Gonna go straight ahead, give a little bit of gas, then clutch up. Okay, gonna make a left, clutching in, a little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna make a right here, clutching in, coasting, a little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay, gonna make a right, we'll make a left here. I'm just leaving it in first gear. Okay, so let's go through all these spots here. So I'm gonna clutch in, coast, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna make a left, clutch in, I'm coasting, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Clutching in, coasting to the right, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Clutching in, we're gonna coast right here, then make a right, gonna give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay, gonna make a left, clutching in, I'm coasting, I've come to a stop, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. So every time before I bring that clutch up, I'm giving a little bit of gas. So we're gonna make a right here, brake, clutch in, give a little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna go to the left, a little bit of gas, then clutch up. Okay, let's make a right here. Then we'll make a left. Gonna clutch in, coast to the left. Gonna give a little bit of gas, then clutch up. Gonna make another left. Clutch in, coast. Little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay, we're gonna make a left here, clutch in and coast to the left, little bit of gas, clutch up. Gonna make another left through this spot, gonna clutch in, coast, little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay? Little bit of gas, clutch up. So every time that clutch goes in before it comes up, I give it a little bit of gas. So going to make a left here. And that's parking lot. So the slow speed, 1 gear, and let's try a little bit more. Clutch in, coast, little bit of gas, clutch up. Clutch in, coast, little bit of gas, clutch up. Clutch in, coast, little bit of gas, clutch up. Clutch in, coast, I'm braking, little bit of gas, clutch up. Okay? So let's not spend too much time on that.